A rheostat is a variable resistor which is used to control current. So rheostat consists of 3 terminals. So only 2 terminals are used to make the connection. Here terminal 1, 2 and 3. And it consists of a wiper or the sliding contact. So this is the rod where the wiper has been attached. And here if you take this rheostat, the number of turns of the coils are wound on the ceramic material. This white color is the ceramic material, and here we can see the number of turns of the coil on the ceramic material. If you want to use this rheostat as a fixed resistor, then you have to connect the terminal 1 and 2 in the circuit, and if you want to use it as a variable resistor, then connect any one of these two terminals, terminal 1 and terminal 2. Any one of the terminal you have to select, and this terminal 3 must be connected so that you can use it as a variable resistor. So if you connect the terminal 1 and this terminal 3, then the current is going to pass through this number of turns of the coil, and up to this where the wiper is there, up to here the current is going to pass from this number of turns, and it passes from this rod to this terminal 3. Also read out this rheostat. It is 1.6 amp and the resistance 75 ohms. And if you take the another rheostat, it is having the 1.6 amp and the resistance 50 ohm. So there are different variable rheostats are there.